Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your friends' wish lists on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, before we dive into viewing your friend's wish list, there's an important requirement you need to know about. In order to view your friend's wish list, their game details must be set to public. If your friend hasn't enabled this option yet, you'll need to tell them to do so first. Let me walk you through how to enable this setting so you can guide them if needed. In the upper right corner of the Steam app, click on your username. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you directly to your Steam profile page where you can manage various settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile, look at the right panel and click on Edit Profile. This button gives you access to all the customization options for your Steam account, including privacy controls that determine what others can see about your gaming activity. Now, in the left panel, click on Privacy Settings. This is where you'll find all the options that control who can see your information and gaming details on Steam. Look for the Game Details option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Public from the available options. This setting is crucial because it allows your friends to see your game library, achievements, and most importantly, your wish list. While you're here, make sure to uncheck the box beside Always keep my total playtime private, even if users can see my game details. Unchecking this ensures full visibility of your gaming information to your friends. Now that you've confirmed your friend has their game details set to public, let's move on to actually viewing their wish list. In the upper left corner of the Steam app, hover your mouse over your username. From the menu that appears, select Friends. This will open up your friends list where you can see all your Steam connections. Click on the profile of the friend whose wish list you want to view. This will take you directly to their Steam profile page where you can see their activity, games, and other public information. Once you're on their profile, scroll down and click on Wishlist. This section displays all the games your friend has added to their wishlist, showing you exactly what titles they're interested in. This feature is particularly useful when you're looking for gift ideas or want to see what games your friends are planning to buy. And there you have it. You can now view your friend's wishlist on Steam and stay updated on what games they're hoping to add to their collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.